Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Yasin Sultan Mahmoud Jillu. Welcome and almost congratulations to everyone from Sanad State. Today, I will present on how to record a cash purchase in QuickBooks Online in this video. In day-to-day business, we sometimes return goods that are purchased with cash due to issue like defect or wrong items. It is essential to record this return accurately in QuickBooks Online to ensure proper cash flow tracking and inventory updates. In this session, I will walk you through the simple step to record a cash purchase return in QuickBooks Online. So, your financial records stay clean and up to date. Let's get started. Now we will show how to record cash purchase and return in QuickBooks Online. Example part 1 and part 2. In the first step, if it is not already recorded, we will record the original purchase. And if it is already recorded, we will escape it. Now we assume it is not recorded, so we'll record it. Let's get started. We go to the plus new button on the top left side and now click on it. Now select expenses under the supplier section and click on it. Now fill in the expenses header, pay according to cash memo, Office Essential Limited, copy and paste here and select it. Payment account, petty cash, payment date to August, payment method cash, reference as per cash memo, copy and paste here. We have two options: voucher posting, category details and item details. Category details, this option will be applied if we do not need to calculate inventory. And item details, this option will be applied if we do need to calculate inventory. We assuming that we do not calculate inventory, so we are using calculate details. Now we are posting first item as per memo. Office supplies, category, copy and paste and select it. Description as per cash memo, A4 paper, 5 dreams. At the rate of $6 equal to $30, copy and paste here. Amount as per cash memo $30, tax out of scope tax, select here. Second item, as per cash memo, pen set 3 box at the rate of $12. Office supplies category, copy and paste and select here. Description, pen set 3 box at the rate of $12, copy and paste here. Amount $36. Now we write notes. Cash purchase of A4 paper, 5 dreams and pen sets, 3 box, copy and paste here. From Office Essential Limited, cash memo number as per memo, copy and paste here, and add attachment of cash memo. Click here, cash memo, upload, already uploaded, and save and close. Now we will record the previously purchased products that has been returned according to this debit note. We go to the plus new button on the top left side and now click on it. Now select bank deposit under the other section and click here. Now fill in the bank deposit header, cash, petty cash as per debit note, date 4th August, received from Office Essential Limited as per debit note, copy and paste here and select accounts, office supplies for paper, office supplies, description as per debit note, 2 reams of 4 paper are found damaged, which is returned, copy and paste, which is returned, a cash reference as per debit note, copy and paste amount $12, copy, paste, tax, out of scope of tax, now write note, 2 reams of 4 A4 paper were found damaged, copy, paste, which returned debit note as per debit note, copy, paste, and add attachment of debit note, uploaded, already uploaded, save and new. Now we will check to see the office supply are posted correctly. We will check the report of trial balance. We search trial balance, already open trial balance. Now we will record previously purchased stationery good as per record. This is stationery goods from Office Essential Limited. 2nd August and return 4th August. 2nd August purchased A4 paper 5 reams, $30, and pen 3 box, $36, and 2 reams A4 paper return $12 minus. This is correct our posting. Thank you very much for watching. Now you know how to easily record a cash purchase return in QuickBooks Online, helping keep your books accurate and up to date.